Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to enable restricted mode on your TikTok app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So restricted mode is an option in TikTok where it limits the appearance of content that may not be appropriate for all audience. So to enable this mode, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines at the top right. Now scroll down and within content and activity section, you'll see digital well-being. Tap on it. Here you'll see the restricted mode option. Tap on this. As you can see, restricted mode will restrict content that may not be appropriate for some viewers. Go ahead and tap on Turn Restricted Mode. It will then ask you to set a passcode. Go ahead and set a passcode and then confirm it once more. Once you set the passcode, restricted mode will be switched on. Now when this mode is enabled, you'll see the label restricted mode on top of every video you watch. To turn off restricted mode, simply go back to the settings menu, then digital well-being, and then from here select restricted mode. Then select turn off restricted mode. It will then ask you for a passcode. Enter in the passcode and then restricted mode will be switched off. And that is how to enable restricted mode on your TikTok app. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.